What's going on, people? It's me, Paris, and Pixie, and today... Oh, wait, you want to say something? It's good. This is first video material. Also, it's us. This is our first video on YouTube, and we are very excited. Isn't that right?
Yes.
We are going to be playing the popular game, Animal Hospital Anomaly. And we're gonna see how many shifts we can accomplish in this most likely 20-minute video. Okay, let's go. Oh, start.
We're starting.
Yay, exciting. It's really quiet.
Oh, I'm listening to Taylor Swift in the background.
Somehow I knew you were gonna be listening to Taylor Swift. It's just a hunch.
They're playing Anti-Hero.
Oh, that kind of makes a lot more sense. We're about to use the... Really? How are you? You already got the coffee. Okay, wait, hold up. Secretary. Did they change the stamp, or is my screen just buns? I didn't even get to check the photo.
Yo, they can't be an anomaly on the first shift.
Well, how am I supposed to know? I barely play this game.
The first patient needs herbs.
I was always wondering why it was herbs. Herb. Okay, let's see. Okay, good. Let me just take the photo. You look normal to me, okay. BTW, guys. Since this is the first video, I want to make things clear. I forgot what I was about to say. What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm normal.
Oh, okay. I don't know what I was about to say, but read the description. We don't know. Nobody knows. At least over here, nobody knows what's happening with the Quail drama. So please don't bring that into the comment section. That's not what this channel is for. This channel is for whatever we do around here. I'm not quite sure right now. Are you treating the patients?
Yes, I am.
About to say, like, the thing is dinging. Alright, we good now? Shutters are off. Yay. We did so good. Also, I found out that the doctor is actually an anomaly. I don't know why. It took me a while to figure that out.
Yo, I'm the best.
Hey, can we not let in the holy patient? Holy shit. Oh, he's just the guy who bangs on the window. They're multiplying.
We can let this guy in right here.
Do you want to deal with the ritual?
Just put eye drops in the candles.
That makes a lot more sense. You could...
You don't want to do it. Give him coffee or something.
This guy doesn't really do anything. He just cracks the glass, so I'm not even gonna bother with that.
Let's see if I can give him coffee.
What is him coffee?
It doesn't work yet.
Just let him break the window.
Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm so sorry.
Oh. How dare you wake him up out of his slumber? That's not sus at all, guys. Wait, let me check the cameras. Oh! He's so beautiful.
He's just possessed. Like, you can treat him, but they're just spiritual.
Oh, I thought that's not an anomaly. He just needs an exorcist.
Yeah, but you don't have to let him through. You don't do much.
I mean, if I let him through, you're the one that's gonna deal with it. Oh. How has it already been like 13 minutes? We barely started playing. Barney is a dinosaur. That's gonna get copyrighted. Let me not. Okay, I'm not dealing with this guy. He asks for coffee like every freaking time.
He does give us an extra coffee machine, though.
Do you have coffee? Because I ain't waiting over a minute.
I don't. I once waited the full time to get him a coffee.
Good lord. Okay. We're just gonna like vibe, I guess, until then. We're gonna just like fast forward this part because I don't think anybody wants to wait. This part won't get into the final cut, so you can just say whatever while we wait.
I'm the backflip master.
This beautiful kitty.
Lammy doesn't lie. She flies, and when she looks at you, she cries.
Is Lammy roasting me now?
Oh, no.
I was about to say. I love doing random stuff because I know I will never end up in the actual video. Do. Alright, it's almost done. You have 30 more seconds to say whatever the heck you want. Don't. Why?
I live in Niagara Falls.
That's crazy. Who is chatting? That's crazy. 10 seconds. Oh, wait. Take 2 sips of the coffee before you give it to him. Okay, and we're back. That took way too long. Didn't give him the coffee. We're not friends, bro. I just gave you a cup of coffee that you didn't need. That already has 2 sips taken out of it. Cat. I'm a kitty cat. Don 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 don. Cat. I'm a kitty cat. Don 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 don. It's a lizard.
I thought it was a unicorn.
I think it's a lizard because wait, does this guy have a tail? Hold up. Oh. He's
care what this thing is.
He butt naked. I thought he had a tail. Why am I losing my mind? Hold up. None of the cats have a tail either. Why does nobody have a tail? This is annoying. Did you check the cameras?
Of course I did.
Okay, he good. I want to get the assassin here because it seems like What? Wait, what? Oh.
Uncle, don't worry about it. He disappeared.
You just threw a patient in the trash.
No, I didn't. I didn't trust.
You just threw a patient in the trash.
Nobody will know.
I didn't film it. Give me like 5 seconds, real quick. Okay, I am back. Sorry, guys. My mother walked in. It's fine. Pixie, did you say anything while I was gone?
No.
Turn that off.
Your patient has a tail.
Finally. Everyone just there butting it in the hospital. Okay, he looked fine on that. Let me check the cameras. Alright, he good. Apparently what the heck? These cameras got some kind of software to detect anomalies. I'm not gonna ask. Shut up.
Oh, I got this.
Don't throw him in the trash can, bro.
Oh, okay, I won't.
Just put him in the bed. I am not excited for the yay, we get the most stressful thing on the planet.
Hey, the shop.
Oh, I thought that was a microwave. Ooh, a taser. I'm always the one with the taser. Also, let me handle the surgeries, because like anytime I play with it's beautiful, Katie. Anytime I let y'all do the surgeries, it always someone ends up dying. I don't know why. Somebody ends up dying.
I've been playing this game every day for like a week and I haven't messed up any surgeries.
Maybe it was somebody else I was playing with. I have no idea. I'm just gonna let this guy in. Because it's gonna be funny. Hey, I'll deal with the consequences. I'll deal with my own consequences, okay? He's gonna be in the surgery room. Jesus. Really? Sir! What? The anomalies just go after the normal patients anyway, so. Oh, isn't he just so beautiful?
Bro, close the window.
Fine, I won't let this one in. I want to check the cameras though. Why is there a patient on fire? Yo.
It's okay.
Hurry up.
Jesus. I've been hurrying up. I'm super speedy.
Imagine just being on fire and then me being like, I have an appointment. Yeah, we're just gonna ignore the fact that your butt was on fire 5 minutes ago. Can you stop ringing the ding dang? You impatient swine. Okay, you look fine there. I'm just gonna I'm letting this guy in for bait for the other guy. The anomalous guy that's in the back.
That works out.
Probably will, because the anomalies hunt after the patients. They normally never go for the nurse first. Oh, look at this guy. He's so beautiful. Also, I knew they had to be like lizards. What?
Have you seen the wall anomalies, or like in the wall, but they come out at you?
Yeah, it's annoying because I never know where they're coming from, and then I always get attacked. So
I just see their face in the wall stick out a little bit.
There's a holy guy. What was that? Oh, that was you.
What?
Nothing. Don't worry about it. No, don't worry about it. What the heck? His picture looks completely fine. I'm gonna drink some oh my god, who took the coffee?
Aris, you should do the surgery if you want now, because the bait is about to leave.
Oh. Yeah, I got it. Also, save the coffee for me if this doesn't work out the way I want it to. Oh my god. Okay, so there's like a monster in there. Hold up. Everybody hold up. Everybody hold up. Everybody hold up. Everybody back up. There's a lot happening. Why is this guy
The
so
bait
cool?
is about to leave.
We gotta let in some new bait because there's a monster in there that I'm going to take care of in a second.
Which one?
The eye monster.
Oh, that one's not bad. Just don't look up. It goes away on its own.
I know it's annoying though.
Bro, I don't even look up in the first place.
Hey, boss. I don't know, bro. I don't care. This is we might need some new bait. Is he about to leave? Did you treat him already?
The bait is gone.
Oh, we need new bait. Hold up. Let me get some new bait real quick. Don't treat
This
this
how you
guy, bro.
play this game.
It isn't, but what's the point of playing it fair when it's boring? Get out! Also, guys, if I sound weird, I'm sick.
Barney.
Barney is a dinosaur. Oh. The coffee's not even ready, plus I need it. I don't eat the, give me the coffee. Give me the coffee. Give me the coffee.
Amazon packages while I wait.
Really?
Yes.
Classic Pixie, I guess. Alright, now get out. Get out! If my voice audio doesn't come through, I'm gonna be actually really mad. I don't want to record this again. What? Oh. It's a body. It's bird supplies. Can we open it? I want to open it.
No. Have you seen what happens later on in the game with Barney?
I never got too far for that. I only made it to shift 8.
Spoil it, but a special someone comes to do something with Barney.
No questions asked. Okay, we need new bait for room 8. So check in picture. We still need to check in more picture. Hey, look, some bait just came in the mail. Let's go. Don't treat this guy. Hi, you're a new sacrifice. Welcome.
It's to the bait. You're just gonna let a patient die.
Hey, listen, your patient. This patient decided to die when they came in. Okay, who goes to a hospital when there's multiple anomalies happening?
Did you know the stalker thingy is Rathu's sister?
I thought it was his wife.
Bro, no, he has a sister. I don't think you've seen this card, but do you know the thing that's behind one of the posters?
Which poster?
Oh, okay. I'll stop talking now.
Listen, I'm a noob. I haven't played in a while. I played this game before the whole controversy thing happened and this game went famous. Like, I'm basically an OG player. But I play a game and then I just never play it again. So that's just me for you. Anyway, let me go deal with patient 8.
Oh, okay.
Oh, the eye monster's gone. Is there anybody else in here? Alright, let me deal with this. If he attacks me, I'm gonna be mad. Cause that's gonna be a mess that I gotta clean up. Go to sleep. I'm gonna let this guy die because I generally do not care about his livelihood. But I'm gonna do it right, I guess. I don't care. Some medicine. I've been watching way too many horror things today. Like right before we started playing, I watched Little Miss Rarity. And let me tell you, that is not for the weak, guys. Wait, is it bandage? Bandage. Woo! Just gonna close that and let him run a rampage. I love being. Oh shoot!
Wait.
Really? Okay, bro. It was the thing in the wall. Yeah, let's just go I think my patient got up.
Check the hallway cameras. Ooh. Go in the room. He's about to get hit.
We don't got the taser yet, so we just gotta do what we gotta do. We're coming! Where? Oh, in 6. Welcome out. At least I have to do number 6. Get out. Yeah, everybody get out. Everybody out. You also, you gotta go, bro. You gotta go. Move it. What the heck? You have some musty out breath.
I think he's a little stuck.
Yeah. Come on, move it. Move it. I see your mouth inside your head. Move it. That's a fun way to tell if it's a skinwalker or not. You just go inside their head. I'm gonna see if that works later. Also, I have my own name for the bed monster. I call him Benny. That's Benny. We love Benny. Although one time he tried snatching the person I was playing with. Such beautiful moments.
That's nice.
That's beautiful, Katie. Any frump? Oh wait, I forgot to treat this guy. All you need is some ointment and antibiotics for your butt cream.
Oh, that's nice.
I know, right? Too old to be making butt jokes.
Some of the people come to this hospital for things they could get at the dollar store and do at home.
True that. Like, you can't buy some herbs at the Dollar General. Ooh, coins. Well, you get to buy the coins. 1 to 3 animal coins for $100. That sounds like a terrible thing. I'm gonna get the extra window. What did you buy?
It upgraded the printers, I think. It was yeah.
Is he clear? Is he square? Is he cute? Is he unfair? Also, I don't think you're a bunny. You're a dog. Cause last time we played, I think you said that was a bunny.
I don't know what I said, bro.
I don't know either. Also, I look like freaking Dave from accounting. My first time playing this game, I killed Dave by accident because I didn't know what the surgery was. It was beautiful, I know. Okay, wait, so I don't think you can get an anomaly and a safe person since the door closes on both.
Oh, you can. You just have to let the safe person through and then close the window.
That makes a lot more sense. Bruh, we only have one computer. Hold on. Is he good?
Yeah, he's going to a surgery.
Nobody likes surgeries. Nope. Yep. Oh, hey, it's Raphael. I think. Aren't there 2 rats in this game?
No, just him, and then he has a sister, but she's not really a patient.
The sister's not even his sister.
I don't get all the hype about Raphael, bro.
Probably because he's one of the most interesting characters in this entire game.
I just don't get that.
Bruh, I don't get the hype either. Everyone's simping over the undercover assassin right now, which is just a black cat in a suit. It's not gonna lie, the ship is kind of giving Wanda and Gray from Sprunky. Shut up. Shut up.
I'm gonna do a surgery now.
Good luck with that.
I like surgery.
Oh,
Just
wait.
throw them in the trash. You don't have to do it.
There's so much. Why is someone screaming? I know.
There's.
I heard you.
If you throw them in the trash, you don't gotta feed them.
Body in the bag. Hey, you almost doxed me, bro. You almost doxed me.
What does that word mean?
It means like you share. Could you stop ringing the ding dang bell?
I share. I like to share with the class.
No, it means you share like information about who. It's like you share information about the person you're playing with. Like for instance, if you say my legal name on camera, that's doxing.
I completed the surgery. They're so easy, bro.
Why do you have to have room 7? I don't care about your burns. Let's use the bathroom.
What'd you do with the person that fainted?
I put him in the trash because I didn't feel like we needed another surgery. It's Dave from accounting. No, your name's Dave. Dave. What? Bro is basically me, but with better hair.
My hair is blonde.
I have to go do human things, so I will be like back in 2 minutes. Goodbye for a second.
Beautiful. Okay, I'm treating his burns. I don't know if that's an anomaly. I'm just putting it there. Photo looks normal.
I'm back and I cannot lie. What is that random beeping? Right. I. Oh, it's just this stupid patient monitor again. Okay, no surgeries. At least that's what the plant scared me.
What do we hate about surgeries? They're so easy.
Yeah, I don't like them because most of the time when I play with like my other, like last time when I played with my cousin and I played with my ex. Yeah, I played with both of them and they both failed the surgery, and then I failed the surgery because the room was on fire.
Oh, I just think they're easy. You have to be locked in for it, but I'm always locked in.
Yeah, apparently they were both not locked in. I don't know what the heck happened. Also, guys, can we not be inappropriate with the patients? They're just existing. They don't. Nobody wants to be at this hospital, especially not me. I'm monster thingamabob. I have no interest in looking up anyway. When will the thing serve chocolate? Why did I call it her thing? What? I like my shyness issues really clear. I'm about to take that taser. I want to buy chocolate. What is... So, if we stare at this poster, can we gain sanity?
Yo, what?
Okay, guys, we're back, and I do not have the storage to keep filming the rest of this. So, we're gonna, like, die and film the outro back at the lobby.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys, that's gonna be it for the video today. My phone decided to be stupid, so we didn't get that much footage. We got like, what, 30 minutes? We will see you guys another time, preferably in a month. Okay, bye guys. Goodbye.